And Rahul Gandhi's first reaction coming in as we speak. He said he's torn into the Prime Minister, and he said that the Prime Minister and the BJP government has created wealth inequality across the entire country. Take a look. We just played out for you in a second, but remember, this is one more chapter in a larger set of comments we've seen take place. The first set of comments coming in from the Prime Minister a few weeks ago, where remember the Prime Minister attacked the Congress manifesto where it said that it wanted to make provisions for minorities. The Prime Minister argued that the Congress in fact wanted to redistribute wealth from all sections of society to minorities in particular. That was the first set of comments the Prime Minister made a few days ago. Now, as you can see, Sam Pitroda making a statement, Sam Pitroda from the Congress making a statement about the need for wealth distribution like it's done in the United States. He's been attacked by the BJP all morning. Rahul Gandhi now responding to that. Let's go over to our colleague Shireen to understand exactly what this response was in more detail. Shireen, over to you.
Well, today there is in fact an event that is going on at Jawahar Bhavan, and Rahul Gandhi was addressing the organizational committee of the Congress party, where he has in fact went ahead and said that the manifesto is so krantikari that it has really given a shock to the BJP, and that is why the Prime Minister is coming and making such statement. Now, there was a bit of clarification because the redistribution of wealth has been time and again being discussed, that the Congress party in their manifesto has been saying that they will redistribute the wealth, to which Rahul Gandhi has said that he was only planning to do the caste census. Right now we just want to see how much, how much is the contribution of each of the caste, each of the people from each of the community, for which caste census is very important. He says that 90% of the population is not involved in the institutional or economy of the country, and they need to be encouraged, they need to be involved in the economy of the country, and then only we can be a superpower. So Rahul Gandhi here has been saying that there is, in a way, he is in fact addressing that there was no redistribution of wealth that was anywhere mentioned in the manifesto. It was only about caste census. The point of doing a caste census is to ensure that help and the schemes could be going to the right downtrodden community, to the people, the pichde group that he has been talking about in his addressal. Those need to be identified, those people need to be genuine, so that we can extend the schemes towards that community, is what he has said in this addressal today.
Just tell our audiences, Shireen, give us a fact check there. Tell us what the Congress manifesto actually does say when it comes both to minorities and this idea of income tax, wealth redistribution. What does the manifesto say?
Well, the Congress manifesto in fact mentions about how there should be in fact a caste census to actually ensure that the beneficiaries of the schemes that they come up with, that the government comes up with, goes to the genuine beneficiaries. Apart from that, they also talk about the minority communities, how the minority communities, there are schemes like the Maulana Azad Scholarship is a scheme that has in fact been now has been done away by the BJP government. That was for the minority community students, especially for the Muslim students. That will in fact the Congress party will bring back that particular scholarship. Apart from that, they also have been talking about how in each of the institution there's going to be reservation for the minorities, not just the minorities but also for the SC, ST, Dalit, Adivasis. All those need to be highlighted. What Rahul Gandhi here today has been saying is that the 90% of the population come from these communities, and they are the only reason that we can be a superpower, and they need to be pushed, they need to be encouraged, and that is the only thing that we have mentioned in the manifesto. He in fact went on to say that the manifesto has given nightmares to the BJP. The Prime Minister is in a panic mode, is the big statement that has been made by Rahul Gandhi. So he also in fact ended by saying that this is no more a political campaign or a political point for him for this mere election. It is going to be his life mission. He will continue to work on this irrespective of whether they come to power or not. They will try to make build a foundation on which such communities could benefit, such communities could encourage, so that their involvement in the economy, in the judiciary, in the media, all these has been mentioned by Rahul Gandhi today.
Okay, just stay with us.